tastes like poo.
Hi Fumi.
Hi, love.
How are you?
I'm good.
Can you guess what country the food you're going to be tasting comes from?
Jamaica,
No.
Australia,
It's a country that starts with a T. Guess.
Thailand.
Wow, you're right. You're going to taste snacks from Thailand today.
I'm not sure what exactly I'm gonna be putting in my mouth. It's not nice.
Too chili and too much salt. Whatever it is.
It's a weird smell. Can't really identify it, but I don't know. Is it bad? Is it?
I don't know, try.
You know what? I don't like it, but I can see like it's not terrible. It's not like I would eat this every day. Ooh, no. No, actually no. No, get this away from me. Oh god, no.
Whiskey. I'm not going to finish it.
What does it taste like?
Salt.
I can taste the fish. Oh, that's so chilly. This is so chilly. No, God.
Okay, what do you give it out of 10?
2.
0.
Wow.
6.
Still in my throat. 4.
4 out of 10.
Yeah, I'm
That's a
being
fail.
generous.
But I don't. I'm going to spit everything out.
What does it taste like?
Huh? It tastes delicious.
Lindsay?
Garlic.
She's like garlic. Do you like them?
It's actually really good. Why was the first one so bad and this one being so good? I give it like a solid 8. An 8, yeah.
It's like an emptiness taste.
What fruit is this?
Tamarind. What do you think?
It is not nice.
3. Yes. More.
I won't pay money for this, but it's okay.
Oh, it smells like expired milk. Nope.
What does it taste like?
Garlic.
Do you like it?
No.
smells like those garbage trucks. Yeah. No. No. It smells like it tastes. No. Why would they want to make that a sweet? I'm honest, it gets worse when you chew it. How is that possible?
What does it taste like?
A goat.
Nope. Nope. Never try it again. 2 out of 10.
Why?
It nearly broke my teeth once. And the flavor, just no sugar, no sweet, no saltness, just
No. I wouldn't do that.
What does it taste like?
Coconut. I have no taste.
Oh no. Oh, and it's sticky. And it's moist. Oh, and it smells terrible. Oh. It smells like actual dog food. Are you sure this isn't dog food?
Yes. The last one.
That's the best snack.
This is a sweet fish snack.
Sure.
it smells like dog food.
Smells like dog poo. Smells like poo. Just poo.
Wait.
This smells like poo.
Have a taste.
It tastes like poo. I'm following the whole thing that I want to. Bye-bye. See the invention. This one.
Yeah. Margo, wait, give him to taste.
Sis.
Guys,
Sis.
you didn't even try it.
Sis.